Hi everyone, it's Bartie Joyce here, back again with another video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell to join the Bartie party. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can get free stuff or really cheap stuff for if you're starting out on YouTube. If you like, say you're just about to start out on YouTube and you don't know how much money you can actually spend. Well, you can actually spend zero if you want to. And there are a few websites that I'm going to say to you now that you can get things from for really cheap, or for as little or for nothing. You have a website called Freecycle. They have like cameras, lots of sort of different types of equipment for you to choose from. There is also Gumtree, which is another great website where you can get some equipment for very little money. Obviously, you've got the good old eBay. So if you wanted to get like something and you're still a bit unsure with what camera to get, you can get like a decent camera on there for really cheap price. You can get second-hand equipment as well, which is going to be obviously. You might get a feel for your videos and for your YouTube journey, or if you're not doing it for YouTube, you're just doing it for like a career. There's also lots of groups on Facebook where you can, which is called the Facebook Marketplace, where you can get loads of different things from there. So there may be like a cheap phone even, or a really good, you can get good enough cameras on your phone these days, and yeah, there's lots of ways you can do it. And there's a final one, and obviously for a final one is obviously if a friend's got old equipment that's still good that they don't use anymore, you can ask them if they could, if you could borrow, if you could have their equipment, or give them like some sort of money towards something towards it. So I hope you find this video kind of like a great sort of like indication of actually, oh yeah, I'm going to definitely try and see if I can start a YouTube video off to see if I actually like it. So it's like YouTube channel off for yourself. So yeah, you can get all this sort of stuff for as little money. You probably most of you get it for free or really cheap. So yeah, so I hope this gives you. I hope this helps you out. And if there's any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments box below. That's it for today's video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell to join the Bartie party. Cheers peeps.